Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Techno Holic. Today we are going to discuss about an upcoming smartphone by Nokia, that is Nokia 9. We've heard about the potential announcement of a Nokia 8 Pro, which is said to arrive with a penta lens camera and Snapdragon 845 processor, but it sounds like the Nokia 9 will outdo it in almost every respect. As a consequence, it may have a similar price to other high-end Android flagships. That would be an interesting market for Nokia to compete in, considering the other handsets available in that price range. Some reports are suggesting iPhone XS level pricing, though we consider that unlikely. Let's check out what we know so far. Nokia 9 screen. A 5.9-inch 18:9 display. The latest screen rumor puts the display at 5.9 inches, adding that it will have an 18:9 aspect ratio. However, a much earlier screen rumor states that the Nokia 9 will have a 5.7-inch screen, while a Nokia 8 Pro will apparently land with a 5.5-inch one. It's likely that the Nokia 9 would match or exceed the size and resolution of the Nokia 8 Sirocco, so expect at least that from it. It's also likely to use OLED, since the Nokia 8 Sirocco doesn't. It's generally considered superior to LCD. We've also heard OLED specifically rumored. The screen may be curved too, since the display on the Nokia 8 Sirocco is, though leaked images, below under the design heading, show a flat screen. Other than that, a handful of leaks are saying that the Nokia 9 will have an in-screen scanner, and indeed the latest images of the phone show no visible scanner, suggesting that's the case. It's a claim that we've heard again more recently, and now that some big-name phones like the OnePlus 6T have launched with one, it wouldn't be surprising. Nokia 9 design. Penta lens design on rear. Deep blue color in several leaks. We've recently seen a render of the new phone, complete with the striking penta lens setup via leak or bend skin. This shows a notch design as well as 7 holes in the rear casing. 5 sensors, plus 1 flash and a final undefined hole, presumably for some kind of sensor. However, this render isn't actually that fantastical. IT Home has come by an image of a prototype TA1094 model that looks very similar. There's been another leak of the rear design via /leaks through a picture originally posted on Baidu. Note there's a slightly different penta lens design than the render above, and also note the Android One logo. Also check out this November 2018 render-based video from onleaks/91 mobiles. Nokia 9 camera. Penta lens design. Dual cameras on the front. Nokia power user says the Nokia 9 will be the ultimate 2018 flagship thanks to the best-in-class Zeiss penta lens camera design, as the leaks above reveal. This could offer as much as 52 megapixels and 5x optical zoom. It is a circular lens module, said to come with 5 options for focal lengths, and looks a bit like the camera on the rear of the 4-year-old Nokia Lumia 1020. Expect the Nokia 9 to have dual front-facing cameras, too. Nokia 9 battery. A huge 3,800 mAh battery. Fast charging. There's only one battery rumor so far, and it points to a 3,800 mAh juice pack with Qualcomm Quick Charge 4. That would make it far bigger than most smartphone batteries, with even something like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus having just a 3,500 mAh battery. Nokia 9 OS and power. A Snapdragon 845 chipset. 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Android P software. The latest rumor claims that the Nokia 9 will have a Snapdragon 845 chipset, which is the current top-end Qualcomm one, found in phones like the US version of the Galaxy S9. Another leak says the same. We've also previously heard that an upcoming Nokia phone might have a Snapdragon 845 chipset. The Nokia 9 isn't named, but it would be the obvious candidate. Early sources claim the Nokia 9 will have a Snapdragon 835 chipset and 6GB of RAM, though we're only talking about 2 sources here, and those are the specs of the Nokia 8 Sirocco, which wasn't announced at that point, so it's probably what they're referring to. We've also seen 2 benchmarks for the phone, both of which also list a Snapdragon 835 chipset, but one of which lists 4GB of RAM, while the other claims it comes with 8GB. Given that the Nokia 8 Sirocco comes with 6GB, though, that's the least we'd expect from the Nokia 9. We wouldn't expect to see any kind of overlay, as HMD Global has stuck with stock Android on its current crop of handsets. Nokia 9 release date. The amount of noise around the Nokia 9 suggests that a release date will be sooner rather than later. We're certainly expecting it to debut at Mobile World Congress 2019 in late February, if not before. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for future updates. Thank you.